What's better than chocolate and peanut butter? Not much, honestly, except maybe having a kitchen so fabulous that making these treats feels like a gourmet adventure. Whether you're whipping up desserts for a party or sneaking a late night snack, these chocolate and peanut butter balls are a simple yet indulgent treat that anyone can make. This recipe skips the graham crackers but doesn't skimp on flavor, giving you a rich, creamy bite with a perfectly smooth chocolate shell. And trust me, once you make these, you'll want to create all your recipes in a kitchen that inspires you every single day. Ready to make something delicious? Let's get started. And don't forget, if you're dreaming of a kitchen upgrade, I'm just a call away to help you find a home that's as sweet as this recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup creamy peanut butter, smooth as a real estate deal with me. 2 cups powdered sugar, the secret to sweet success. A tablespoon of vanilla extract for a hint of sophistication. A pinch of salt, because life's about balance. 12-ounce semi-sweet chocolate chips, pure magic in morsel form. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, the finishing touch of perfection. Directions: sweet foundation. In a mixing bowl, blend the peanut butter, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and salt. Use a spatula or your hands, get messy, to mix until it forms a pliable dough. You're aiming for a texture that says, "Yes, I'm ready to be a star in a dream kitchen." Roll with it. Scoop out tablespoon-sized portions of dough and roll them into balls. Pro tip: use a cookie scoop to make them all uniform, because symmetry is key in recipes and kitchen designs. Place the balls on parchment-lined baking sheet. Chill out. Pop that tray in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This step ensures your peanut butter balls stay solid while dipping. While they chill, take a moment to imagine yourself whipping up culinary delights in a kitchen with an island so big you need a map to navigate it. Melt the magic. Combine the chocolate chips and coconut oil in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat in 30-second bursts, stirring between each session until the mixture is smooth and glossy. This is the liquid gold your peanut butter dreams about being able to bathe in. Dip time. Use a toothpick or a fork. Dip each chilled peanut butter ball into the melted chocolate. Let the excess drip off. Think of it as leaving behind the chaos of your old kitchen. Place the coated balls back on the parchment paper. Final touch. For a fancy twist, drizzle extra chocolate over the top or sprinkle with flaky sea salt. Once dipped, return the tray to the fridge to let the chocolate set. This should only take about 15 minutes, but no judgment if you sneak one early. Serve and savor. Once the chocolate is hardened, arrange your creations on a plate or in a cute tin. These treats are perfect for impressing guests or just enjoying on a lazy Sunday afternoon in your dream home. Imagine the joy of whipping up recipes like this in a kitchen just designed for you. Whether it's spacious countertops, double ovens, or a fridge that feeds all your ingredients and your secret chocolate stash, I can make that happen. Call me, your favorite realtor, and let's find your next home, the one with a kitchen that inspires sweet creations like these.